He had created 60 empowerment videos, currently empowering the LGBT community for 2 years now. She is also a great women empowerment advocate and organizer of events for women empowerment. He her proudest moment in life is organizing the Miss and Mrs. Singapore Team Island-wide worldwide for 2 seasons. Vanessa Jacqueline De Cruz.
Our next star is a model and actor with New York Times Square Billboard portfolio. Singapore New Top Model Director. Singapore from Success 2018. ABS in Global Idol 2019. Our favorite Mark Russell.
Rose, she's one of the director of Yoga Nation and a People Association trainer in Singapore. She's successful career as a model as an actress. Her passion for empowering women lies in the People Association trainer and part of Yoga Nation. Through her involvement with the initiative, she provides nurturing environment for individuals to learn yoga and connect with themselves. She won several awards for her philanthropic efforts that includes the title of Goodwill Ambassador 2018 and 2019, Brand Ambassador for Pineapple Clothing, and Associate Director for Mrs. Bara Icon. That's all. Welcome. Rose.
May pabulaklak si Ama. Asit! Nalikan ko talaga. Ano? Sana all. May flowers.
A fashion goddess, a brand beauty expert, and a Singapore Tourism International 2019 Miss Estelle Roche A.
Here's look. Our next judge is a private exercise of student Happy Mother's Day.
Okay.
Hindi ako pinapang ganyan. Gusto mo dati ako marunong. Bakit ganun mo? Noon, parang Brahman yun. Ang maliit ang ganito. Maganda daw yun. Kaya ako nga binili pang ano daw, yung pang-blend. Hindi mo marunong gumamit?
Bili ko, hindi naman.
Hindi na gusto ko kasi ang dami bumibili. Ano yun, nasa TikTok nga din, maraming ganun eh. Pakita ko sa'yo.
Hindi naman si Kumuha na yung good information.
Ha? Foundation. Oo, foundation. Ulitin natin.
Bachelor of Science in Architecture. Adamas Omega Fraternity Sorority International member. Mrs. Queen of Hope International in 2011 at Glendale, Arizona, USA. First runner-up Mrs. Singapore Queen of Hope in 2011-2012. Mrs. Earth International Ambassadors in 2008-2009 in Rhode Island, USA. Miss Earth International second runner-up 2008-2009. Mrs. Earth Singapore 2008-2009. Mrs. Singapore 2004-2005, second runner-up.
Halika mo na.
Bunsa ng Pilipinas Central Visayas in 1997. Miss Erwin Calder from Central Visayas 1996 as first runner-up. Let's all welcome the chairman of the Board of Judges, Miss Nipa Su.
Purple yan!
Tapos itong ano, kasi sabi niyo, sabi lang.
Let's all welcome Miss Shekna Hu.
Be! Alisin mo yung earrings mo.
Wow! Natatouch ako!
Balik mo lang sa akin mamaya. Kababa naman.
Natatouch ako! Grabe, ang dami nilang poster sa akin. Lumang
Hindi mo lubang mo. Iiyak ka na? Car.
Saan yung number mo?
Pwede ka mag-moment. Sana dumating yung agent namin.
Okay.
Ha? Sana dumating yung agent namin.
Let's keep silence and
Alin saan? Agent namin sa Pinas? Nandito na sa
May we request everyone to please stand up. May we request everyone to please stand up. Everyone. Magsitayo po tayong lahat para po sa ating pagbibigay ng pugay sa Panginoon para po sa magpapasalamat.
Ay, Johnny din. Lagi ako may poster sa dalaban.
Madam, happy Mother's Day! Yes, thank you!
Johnny!
Ah, okay.
professional level.
Nag-put talaga si Lilia ba? Hindi bagay sa kanya pang winter yun eh. May heels naman siya, di ba? Maganda na siya.
And now, the Philippine national
Ayan. Pasaway ka, Queen, ha? Hello? Marites ka. Hindi nagkasya yung sa kanyang boots mo ba? Hindi nagkasya yung boots mo sa kanyang 40.
Okay. Please remain standing hanggang mamaya. Hindi, puno po kayo. Maraming salamat. Yeah, I can have a seat. Take a seat. Thank you very much. Magandang babae. Good morning, everyone.
It's my revelation to welcome you all again.
Singapore Runway Model Season 2. So, since busy ka ang mga model sa nakikita sa ating website at sa page ng Pura. Okay, as what MC was saying, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat! Ready na po ba kayo? Oh, ito mahilig kayo ngayon. Mahilig kayo. Yan dyan ka iba. Are you ready, guys? Parang siya lang ang ay, babae kayo, mas malakas yun. Are you ready, guys? Ay, wala. O, sige, isa lang, pumili ka na isang pipili ako sa luta. Are you ready? Sabi ko naman, sisigaw lang yung isasabi. Oy. Okay guys, we're actually requesting everyone. So So that we'll be able to have great event, not just for their, but for the upcoming days, or upcoming weeks. Ano na lang natin, next 15 days kami. Yan, kasi medyo syempre, nahihirapan na yung mga naglilinis dito sa atin. Pag may nakita kayong kalat, sa Marikina kasi, munting basura ibulsa muna. Pero since marami ng basura natin dito, pwede natin munting basura, ibasura muna. May basura na naman provided doon sa Tibuan. So yan, please. So later, we want to go out and request everyone na sana...
Last ano ba, event mo na yung nabili na green na necklace? O yellow? Ako sorry, misplaced na ako. Isalot ako sa production. Kasi nadala nila ano already.
Yeah, baka may mag-approach ulit sa akin, naka-block ko kasi ito, pero wala pa siya gagawin so, bigyan rin sa... Pero ganun dyan, MJ, hindi ko maiingit ang ating mga judges ngayon. Kasi they will have a tough time, as in super tough time. Okay? Yes. Yes, I'm jumping to my witness stage. We will have the criteria for judging. Models, please be mindful about the criteria for judging.
Ay, siyang kabit mo na kalsada. Ayan? Moving siya pala. Isa sa mga restaurant.
Kung sino daw po yung kumuha, nakakuha, nakadagpot ng cellphone na Samsung Note 10, nakasaksak daw po dito sa may side, balik na lang po kayo sa side, or kahit sino dito sa enjoy room. Again, sa ito po yung Samsung Note 10, nadampot po, pwede po pakabalik na lang.
Kumura ka na ba? Huwag mo pupusin.
Yes, pati yung mga puso ninyo.
Yung tigila agad para ano intense. Alma bes. Nakakalimutan ko yung plancha pag-awa ko balik na. Baka na si Mama. Hindi ko alam kung sila, ano oras ng pa mo? Walang sila. Magkatapos ang kaya kita.
Okay. And last but not least, we should respect
Wala. Bakit sa akin talaga? Ito kayo pag-visit kayo kayo.
So my candidate number 29, she cannot go for the runway because she's very campaign right now. So you have to push it out. Candidate number 29, she's not going to do
First, catwalk is 50%, attire 30%, beauty 20%. And again, judges, if we can avoid erasures, please avoid erasures and please avoid decimal points as well. If an instance that you will not be able to avoid any erasures. And girls, guys, and girls, that's what the center said. The decision of the judges are final. They were handpicked by the judges. They are capable, able, and respectable judges. Okay? Magkakaroon po ng mga tie and everything. Miss May Pasu and Miss Roger Lucijo will be the one to judge who's going to be, or they'll be the one who's going to judge. Again, papalakarin ulit natin yung mga. Okay, are we guys ready?
Here is our first category. Singapore Runway Model Center, Brand Action, and Lead Drag Action.
Pero ang MJ, bago ka dyan. My name is Marlon,
This is MJ.
and welcome to Singapore Runway Model Season 2! Yan! Alam, yung models na yung palakpak. Ang hindi mo palakpak, iiwalayan ng jowa! Oh, palakpakin mga iniwan. Oh, buti nga sa inyo, deserve.
Palakpak yung dinagdagan.
Oh, palakpakan natin yung mga taong nang-iwan.
Anong iwan?
Kasi yung mga nang-iwan, kung palakpakan mga nang-iwan, makabusin din sa buhay natin.
Sabihin ko ba yung dinagdagan?
Ready na, girls? So, welcome. In their introduction number, our models, Singapore Runway Model Season 2. Let's give it a round of applause. Music.